Hello students, today we will discuss on chapter 8 lines and angles. First sum complement of any angle. How to find this? Complement of 67 degrees, 90 minus 67. Just subtract from 90, then we get the complement of any angle. Then supplement of 107 degree. Subtract the angle from 180 degree, then we get the supplementary angle, which is 73 degree. Next, if the sum of two angles is 90, then that pair will be complementary angles, and the sum of two angles is 180 degree, then that pair will be supplementary angles. Then 65 plus 25 is 90. Since therefore these two pair is complementary angles to each other, and sum of 165 plus 15 is 180. Therefore this pair is supplementary angles to each other. Next, sum number 5. Angle 1 is 145 given. So angle 1 and angle 3 is vertically opposite angles. So this will be equal. Angle 1 equal to angle 3, vertically opposite angle, short form of vertically opposite angles. Therefore angle 3 145, and angle 1 plus angle 2, this will be linear pair angles, because this is a line shape, this is a straight line. So angle 1 and angle 2 makes 180 degree, which called linear pair. So put the value of angle 1, then we get angle 2. Angle 2 equal to 35 degree, and angle 2 equal to angle 4. Angle 2 equal to angle 4, because this is also vertically opposite angle. Therefore angle 2 equal to angle 4 equal to 35 degree. Next sum is 6.1. Find the value of x. This is the figure. Then total angle 180 degree. Therefore 90 plus 4x plus 1 plus 53 equal to 180 degree. Remains 4x in the left side, and 91 and 53 goes to right side. Then it will be minus. Therefore 180 minus 90 is 90, minus 1 minus 53, total minus 54, because same sign, so it will be addition. 54, 90 minus 54 is 36. Therefore x equal to 36 by 4, which is 9 degree. Next one is total. Here also sum of these three angles is 180 degree. Therefore 3x plus 2x plus x equal to 180 degree. Number 4, sum number 4. Therefore 3x plus 2x plus x, which is 6x, equal to 180. Therefore x equal to 180 by 6, which is 30 degree. Next sum. Find the value of x, y and z. Sum number 8, 2. Since this angle and this angle are vertically opposite angle, therefore we can write x minus 17 equal to 13 minus x, and brings the x from left side, which is minus x will be plus x, x plus x is 2x, and minus 17 goes to right side. Therefore 17 plus 13 is 30. Therefore x equal to 15 degree. Okay, and this angle and this angle will be linear pair, because total angle 180 degree. Therefore y plus x plus minus 17, this angle and this angle will be linear pair. Y plus x minus 17 is equal to 180 degree. Then minus 17, put the value of x, which is 15 here. Then y minus 2 equal to 180, y equal to 180 plus 2, 180 plus 2. Therefore y equal to 182 degree. Z equal to also y and z are equal angle, because vertically opposite angles. Therefore z equal to 182 degree. Sum number 3, 8.3. Find the value of x, y and z. Z equal to here 40, because these also are vertically opposite angles. Z equal to 40 degree. Next one, y plus 40. This is linear pair. Y plus 40 equal to 180. Therefore y equal to 180 minus 40, which is 140. y equal to 140. Next one is, since x plus 25, x plus 25 and y are vertically opposite angles, therefore y and x plus 25 equal. X plus 25 equal to y. Then x plus 25 y, put the value of y, which is 140. Then x equal to 140 minus 25 equal to 115. X equal to 115 degree. Next sum is number 8. Which one is obtuse vertically opposite angles? Obtuse means greater than 90, less than 180. So here vertically opposite angles, obtuse angles which is angle AOD, which is greater than 90 degree, and also its vertical opposite angle is angle BOC, greater than 90 degree. Next sum is acute vertically opposite angles. Acute means less than 90, greater than 0 degree angle, which is angle AOB and angle COD. Angle AOB equal to angle COD, which is vertically opposite angles but acute angles also. Next is adjacent complementary angles. Complementary means sum of two angles will be 90 degree. So angle here, angle BOE, total angle is 90 degree. So sum of this angle and this angle, sum of this angle and this angle will be 90 degree. Therefore angle AOB and angle AOE are complementary adjacent angles. Then equal supplementary angles. Supplementary means total sum is 180 degree. Then angle BOE is 90 degree and angle DOE also 90 degree. So sum will be 180 degree, 90 plus 90. Therefore angle BOE and angle DOE are equal angles and also supplementary angles to each other. Angle BOE and angle DOE. Next one angle is unequal supplementary angles. Unequal matlab not equal, and also sum will be 180 degree. So here angle BOC and angle COD, sum will be angle BOC and COD, sum will be 180 but not equal to each other. Therefore angle BOC and angle COD are not equal supplementary angles. Angle here also AOB and AOD also unequal supplementary angles. So here adjacent angles that does not form a linear pair. Adjacent angles, sum will not be 180 degree. Linear pair, sum will be 180 degree. So here not equal to 180. So angle AOB and angle AOE, sum not 80. So it will be linear pair, but it will not be a linear pair. Here we write angle DOE and angle COD. Angle DOE and COD, this angle and this angle, sum will not 180 degree but also adjacent angles. So it is adjacent but not linear pair. Thank you students.